Let me catch my breath there for a second. Hi babes, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You guys, oh my gosh, you guys know that in the morning when I work out, I just act a darn fool. I am completely in my zone. I completely act like nobody's watching. I completely take myself away to a place of happiness and complete freedom and peace, and the adrenaline is just rushing through my body and I just feel so good. Honestly, if I follow my body and my mind every single morning, I will not get a day workout in, because when I wake up in the morning, the bed is just so comfortable and it's just calling me back. After I give Tyler his breakfast, it's just calling me back to say, come back to me, come in the bed. And if I listen to that voice and go back into bed and I just feel tired and lousy, and even last night I was saying to Babe that I feel so tired, but I have to get workout in. Once I go through the hardest part of getting my clothes on and put this headphone over my ears, it completely takes me away to a whole new world, and I dance all morning and I work out all morning and I just feel so good. And that's exactly what you guys saw me doing just now, just acting a fool, having fun with my workout and getting it done. And that's most important. I got it done. Yes baby, good, very good. I lift weights this morning. I have so much fun doing that and dancing the morning away. Baby's off to work. Tyler is in here watching his tablet and eating toast and telling me, Mama, I'm finished. How do you ask for it? Water. That's how you ask for water? Huh? What you say?
Please, Mama.
Please, Mama. Can you say morning, Faith?
Morning, Faith.
Tell them what you're doing.
I'm eating tea.
You're eating tea and?
I'm eating toast.
You're drinking tea and eating toast. Okay? What else are you doing? Huh?
I'm watching tablet.
And you're watching tablet. Alright you guys, my baby's asking for water, so I'm gonna go ahead and give him that. And while I'm working out this morning, the first thing I did, well, during the workout, I turned the oven on and pop a chicken in it. Oops, seems like my timer is done. So I have a chicken roasting in the oven. Chicken's roasting because I have sides to go with the protein. I just didn't have any protein for today, so I did that. And I'm doing it early before I do everything else because I am going on the road today. I don't have work, but Tyler and I is just going to get out and have some fun today. Baby's off to work. We might see him, we may not see him. So that's what's up right now. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Make sure you guys get your workout in. It doesn't really matter what you do. Even if you're in your office and you have to get up at intervals, even if it's every hour you get up and you walk to get some water or walk to get some fresh air, just do something. Don't just sit on your butt all day and get no form of workout in. Just do something and you might be surprised to know that every bit counts. Have a good day, stay blessed, stay positive, stay motivated, and just do something today that makes you happy. Do something for you and do it because you want to do it. Just please yourself today, really. Be selfish about it. Anyway, you guys, and what I do to please myself every day is working out. Anyway, you guys, I am going to get on with my morning, make some green juice, make breakfast, and get ready to head out on the road. So I'll catch you guys in a bit. Della, what are you doing?
No, I'm scared.
What are you scared of?
No, I'm scared ghosts.
You're scared. You're scared of the ghosts and the monsters? But there are no ghosts and monsters. Where are they? Where do you see ghosts and monsters? He goes, ooh. Where is it?
Steve and Maggie.
You watch too much Steve and Maggie. Is in your tablet?
Yes.
Oh, Lord have mercy, you guys. He loved to watch this thing called Steve and Maggie on his tablet. And it shows him ghosts and monsters in it. So he came to me earlier and said, Mama, I am scared of the ghosts and monsters. So I said, it's okay, baby, no need to be scared.
Mama,
so I just went and did my hair. And I'm like, why is Tyler so silent? And I come in here and that's what I see him under the cover.
Mama,
Yes, my love?
I'm scared.
You're scared?
Yes.
Alright, so go back and hide. Go back and hide. Go on.
Where you poo?
Hmm?
No, I'm scared owls.
You're scared of the owls?
Yes.
You don't?
And where you poo?
And who?
Where you poo?
Okay. So you can go and hide them. Hide.
Hide on my cover.
Yes, hide under the cover. But be careful. He's so cute. You guys, I just did my hair and flash on a little makeup on my face. And we're getting ready to head out. You guys, Thailand, I finally made it to the beach, and it's a perfect day for me to leave the umbrella at home, because even though the sun is out, it's not boiling hot because there's lots of wind. So it's I'm trying to give you a good description so you can vision what it's like. It's sun with a little of wind, so it's just a little tad chilly, but it's perfect when you're in the sun. So we're out here. It's very quiet where I am. I didn't go too far up where a lot of the tourists would be. I just stay in an area, the only area where there's a little sand, because this area where Tyler is playing, where the sand is, they would put the volleyball net. Yeah, it is. Yeah, he showed me the plane taking off. I don't know if you guys can see it. He's so excited when he sees plane. So we're just here in this little quiet area. I know that there would be they didn't put up the volleyball net yet, so he could play in the sand. So he's having fun chilling, and I just packed my lunch and bring with me. So I'm just gonna sit here, take in a little of the beach and just peace and quiet, and just watch him play in the sand. He's up there just digging up. And I didn't put any sunscreen on him, so I put one of the long sleeve shirts that I had in the bag over him. What's he doing? You're full in your pan? He's filling up his pan. So yes. You finish it? So no, leave it over there. Don't bring it over here. It's heavy?
Yes, it's too.
Yes. You want car to put in it?
Yes.
Alright, wait. He's stuck in all his toys in his pan.
Mama,
Yes.
she can't driving.
The car what?
She can't driving. Look, it's red. Nasty.
It's nasty. It's not.
Good.
It's not nasty. It's just dirty with sand.
Good.
Yes.
Good.
Yeah, I saw the bird. The bird is coming to get you. Say hello, birdie.
Hey, brother. It's a dog.
I have my lunch here, you guys. I'm gonna grab right now. the sandcastle to me?
Yeah.
You have fun?
Yes.
He squished it. Our first sandcastle together. He just slammed all his toys in it. He's so hilarious. And he didn't get to take a picture of it. You want more sand? It feels so good out here. There's just the right amount of sun and the right amount of wind. At least I don't have to complain that I'm roasting. And I have been back off the road. We had so much fun at the beach. I'm having a little headache, but I think it's because my hair was pulled a little bit too tight, so I just took out the band that I had around it. But yeah, he had so much fun because most of the time I was on the phone with my cousin. When my cousin called from Jamaica and I was on the phone with her talking for almost 2 hours. So Tyler was there just playing in the sand, and he lost one of his cars. And we couldn't find it, one of his favorite car. But I guess one person lost is another person's treasure. I guess another person will find it and cherish it, or maybe a person that going to find it will enjoy it more than he would enjoy it. Anyway, we are going to have dinner right now, and since I had cooked the protein before I left, so we are gonna have quinoa and chicken, and this is Tyler's own. Love his chicken leg. And my dinner will be the same. Dinner is ready. Babe, stop ignoring me. Enjoy your dinner. Bon appetit.
Talking about.
Hi, Fizz.
Hi, guys.
We're coming on to give you guys the Jamaican expression because I
They didn't
to
really
bed.
see me much today, so yeah, that had
What's
been
wrong with your finger?
no, just today I've been a long day too. I went
Every day you have a long day, my love. What's
yeah,
new?
we have a long day. That's working life. That's working life. Can't complain. Have a job, and
True.
some people doesn't. So
True.
I can't complain. I won't complain. I just
True.
wish I have to do these things. I have a family to take care and to cherish. That's the word,
Cherish.
cherish. I hope it's good to use this word. Sometimes I just have a word in my mind that sounds good and I use it.
You're hilarious.
That's good for me. My family is the most important, so that's good. True. I feel so bad when I leave work that late. Think about you, say, baby, that's okay, do what you have to do, and I feel so bad. But
Well, you have to do what you have to do, no?
mm-hmm.
I'm sure if it was me in that position, then you would have said the same.
Of course.
Alright, you guys. I'm gonna give you the Jamaican expression today. And this Jamaican expression I'm gonna give you is because I use it to Tyler today. Because Tyler is in a phase where he just talks and talk and talk and talk non-stop, and sometimes I just need a break. As a kid, my grandmother would say, "Girl, you can't make me ears nyam grass." Simple mean, stop the talking, I want total silence. Make me ears nyam grass.
Okay.
Yes, on total silence.
Mm.
Make me ears
Make me hears
nyam grass.
nyam grass.
Now it's time for the French expression.
Perdre la main.
Lose the hand.
Yeah.
What does
Perdre
that
la main.
mean?
Lose the hand.
What does it mean?
Simple mean, for example, when you used to do some things and then you stop for a little while and when you try back, you can't do it as good as you used to.
Perd?
No, perdre. You have the R, a D, and the R. You have two R between. You have the D between two R.
Honey,
Perdre.
you know that's not going to happen, right?
La main.
Ped. La main. Leave me alone in Jesus' name. It won't happen. Anyway, you guys, there you guys have the French and the Jamaican expression.
I need to find something about the R.
For today. You get it?
Yes, make sure you get it.
Because I didn't. No, I get it, but I
You
can't
get
get the pronunciation.
Yeah, but it was very good.
Anyway, you guys.
I give you a plus.
Give this video a
Thumbs up.
yes.
Comment.
Yes.
Turn on the notification bell. Subscribe. Catch up and keep up.
And we'll see you guys tomorrow.